Good night, instructor. My name is Brian Camargo. I am 27 years old and living in the city of Bogota, in the south of the sector, in the town of the Santa Lucia, with my family. I study in animation digital. This word is about my aunt. Her name is Sandra Camargo, and she is 39 years old. She is a tall woman with the dark straight hair. Is characterized by being a person with a strong character, very strong. He likes to get a start early to the work, and he starts the routine about in prepares with the breakfast and lunch. Before going out, would you like to the strength or the cardio routines on the mark no more than 5 minutes. Each in the Teusaquillo in the central of the city in an administrative part of the hospital, which belong to the church. On the hobbies, thus in likes to the most watching scary movies, and the one activities he likes the most is to the sleep. He is currently begun the company for the 6 years old. Thank you, teacher.